There are many activities that visitors can enjoy at the Grand Canyon National Park. Some of the most popular activities include hiking, camping, sightseeing, and rafting.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The Grand Canyon National Park is a United States national park located in the state of Arizona. The park encompasses 277 miles, 446 kilometers, of the Colorado River and adjacent uplands. Located on the ancestral homeland of 11 Native American tribes, Grand Canyon is one of the most spectacular examples of erosion anywhere in the world, unmatched in the incomparable vistas it offers visitors on the rim. Grand Canyon National Park is a World Heritage Site. Here are some of the complete information regarding the Grand Canyon National Park. Location: the Grand Canyon National Park is located in northwestern Arizona, on the border between Coconino and Mojave counties. The park is about 4 hours from Las Vegas, Nevada, and 6 hours from Phoenix, Arizona. Size: the Grand Canyon National Park is 1,902 square miles, 4,927 square kilometers, in size. This makes it the 15th largest national park in the United States. Canyon: the Grand Canyon is a gorge of the Colorado River that is 277 miles, 446 kilometers long, up to 18 miles, 29 kilometers wide, and attains a depth of over a mile, 6,093 feet or 1,857 meters. The canyon is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Geology: the Grand Canyon was formed over millions of years by the erosion of the Colorado River. The river cut through layers of rock, revealing different geological formations. The oldest rocks in the canyon are over 2 billion years old. Flora and fauna: the Grand Canyon National Park is home to a variety of plant and animal life. Some of the plants that grow in the canyon include pines, junipers, cacti, and wildflowers. Some animals living in the canyon include deer, elk, bighorn sheep, coyotes, and eagles. Activities: there are many activities that visitors can enjoy at the Grand Canyon National Park. Some of the most popular activities include hiking, camping, sightseeing, and rafting.